I drove up to Austin to play some music at the Songwriter Happy Hour at the Hole in the Wall, and while I was there, I had a chance to go for a walk along Barton Springs Road and finally check out the paid area of Barton Springs. Barton Springs Road and the springs themselves are located south of Lady Bird Lake or Town Lake or Colorado River, and it's more along the western side of the city of Austin. And this walk is going west from South Lamar Blvd to the Springs. And Barton Springs Pool is one of the major things to do in Austin, to go soak in some fresh spring water in a pretty clean paved setting with plenty of lawn area and people watching. And this area here is regarded as Restaurant Row, so it's a vibrant stretch in Austin with an array of dining establishments and some bars and interesting places to see, including food trucks, of course. The transformation into Restaurant Row began in the 1980s when Barton Springs Road evolved from this quiet two-lane road into a more bustling traffic artery connecting downtown Austin to new developments. And it was also a popular trafficked area because of all the recreational things there were to do out there. And since it turned so high profile with all that traffic, it drew folks looking to put up some restaurants and bars along this strip. It makes it look pretty interesting and walkable and good for some food or some late night bar hopping. And today you can find condos and apartments as a backdrop to some of these restaurants, showing the appeal that this place has to folks looking to live in the mix of it all. From the dining options of the area to the springs and the lake and downtown Austin, gives you a sense of the interesting life that folks who live here might enjoy. Along this walk, you can find some of the early restaurants to the area, including Chuy's, which opened in 1982 in an old abandoned barbecue joint. And today, they've grown into 38 different locations within and beyond Texas. Green Mesquite BBQ is one of the other early initial restaurants that came to this strip back in 1988. And you know I'm always looking to show some live music spots in these videos, and they do have an open mic there happening on Thursdays, as well as live music there happening other nights as well. Other places that include live music along here are Juliet Italian Kitchen. They'll have some jazz going on for the folks that are eating some Italian food, maybe going on a date there. And there's a new place called Love Lamp Matcha, and when I stopped there, I found that they had a stage and an equipment, and they were planning to start some live music happening there, so you could look out for that. There were a lot of folks walking along here on their way to Barton Springs, and as you continue walking along Barton Spring Road, you cross over a bridge that the water from the springs flows into. That's where you can get your first good glimpse of some of the skyline of Austin on this walk. And then you make it out to Zilker Park, which is where ACL Music Festival is held in the fall, and you also get some great views of the city of Austin. But the end of this walk was to Barton Springs, where you can jump into some fresh and somewhat comfortable temperature water and float there and look out at those buildings of downtown and look out at the other folks hanging out there and catching some sun. This is what Barton Springs looks like during spring break. And so this Wednesday might be busier than a typical Wednesday there at the Springs. Ultimately, I made it up a little farther north to the UT campus area to the famous Hole in the Wall music venue, which had just celebrated its 50-year anniversary. And I enjoyed playing music there with some other songwriters before heading out for a night in Austin. Driving this old truck, far as it'll go, till it breaks down on the side of the road. Turning this old engine till it turns into smoke, and it breaks down on the side of the road. 'Cause it's a long, long time, we got a long way to go before we break down on the side of the road. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about the music scene around Texas and exploring around Texas on my YouTube channel. You could click on my channel and check out those thumbnails and see which of those topics interest you. Maybe check out the video in the thumbnail that pops up here on the screen. Give those videos a view, and thanks for giving this video a view, and thanks for your support.